Hello everyone, let's solve the problem number 4 in resultant stresses at a section. Let's read the question. A rectangular concrete beam 250 mm wide and 600 mm deep. So there is a rectangular cross section 250 mm wide and 600 mm deep. It is pre-stressed by means of 4 14 mm dia bars. So number of bars are 4. Each bar diameter is the 14 mm. It is located at 200 mm from the soffit of the beam. So from the soffit of the beam 200 mm. So this is the neutral axis. If the effective pre-stress in the wires is 700 Newton per mm square. So stress he given stress in the pre-stressing bars. Now, what is the maximum bending moment that can be applied to the section without causing tension at the soffit of the beam? Please remember, without causing tension means at the bottom fiber stress is 0. Stress is 0 without causing tension at the soffit of the beam. Bottom of the beam stress is 0. P by A plus PE by Z minus M by Z. This is the stress at bottom. This one is equal to 0. So M by Z is equal to P by A plus PE by Z. This M moment value we need to find. So first let's calculate the section properties and eccentricity and pre-stressing force. Section properties: area of the rectangular beam A equal to 250 into 600 equal to 15 into 10 power 4 mm square. Now section modulus Z is equal to I divided by Y. I means PD cube by 12, Y means D by 2 equal to BD square by 6 equal to 250 into 600 square divided by 6 equal to 15 into 10 power 6 mm cube. The units of the section modulus is mm cube. Now area of the steel. So each bar diameter is 14 mm. So how many bars are there? 4 bars are there. So pi by 4 into d square into 4 equal to 616 mm square. Now let's calculate the pre-stressing force. In given data he mentioned pre-stress that is 700 Newton per mm square. So P by A is equal to stress. We need to calculate pre-stressing force. So pre-stressing force is equal to 700 into 616, that equal to 431,200 Newton. Let's calculate P by A. P by A means direct stress due to pre-stressing force. So 431,200 Newton divided by area of the rectangle 250 into 600 mm square. So answer is 2.87 Newton per mm square. Now bending stress due to pre-stressing force, PE by Z value. So 431,200 into eccentricity is the 100 mm. It is in given data, divided by Z value. Z means 15 into 10 power 6 mm cube. The answer is 2.87 Newton per mm square. So pre-stress at soffit of the beam is 2.87 plus 2.87 equal to 5.74. So pre-stress at soffit of the beam equal to P by A plus PE by Z, means 2.87 plus 2.87. The answer is 5.74 Newton per mm square. Now we need to calculate the bending moment. So bending moment M is equal to maximum moment on the section for zero tension at the bottom face. M is the maximum moment on the section for zero tension at the bottom face. So we already know the stress means fiber stress at the bottom fiber equal to P by A plus PE by Z minus M by Z is equal to 0. So P by A plus PE by Z equal to M by Z. So this value we are just now we calculated 5.74. M is equal to 5.74 into Z. Z value is 15 into 10 power 6. So M is equal to 5.74 into 15 into 10 power 6. So M is equal to 86.1 kilonewton meter. So this is the answer. This is the maximum moment on the section for zero tension at the bottom face. Okay, thank you for listening.